Hi, welcome to the quick walkthrough video of customer payments tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all your customer payments under one glance. So on the left side of this tracker, we have a summary section which shows the total amount of payment that was due, the payment amount that was received, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of total payments that was received. On the right side, we have three different sections. There is the customer section, the overview section, and the transaction section. Under customer section, you can set up your entire customer database over here. So we have divided this customer section into three different subsections. There is the regular, the seasonal, and occasional. If you want to edit any of these sections, simply click over here and start editing the details. Or if you want to add any of further subsection over here, click over in this plus icon over here to add more details. Under each of this section, we have got different customers that have been added. So every item that you see over here are different customers, and under every customer, we have got the total payment amount that is due. If you want to change any of this amount, simply click over here and enter your new amount as and when you wish to do so. You can also edit the customer name by clicking on this pencil icon and editing the customer name. Or if you want to add a new customer name, simply click over here in the new to add a new customer name. You can also delete this customer clicking on this three dot and clicking on delete or delete the customer. Once the customer database has been added along with the payment amount that is due, it's time to see the overview section. Under the overview section, we can see the total payment that has been received, the payment amount that was due, and the percentage of total payments that has been received. Now, the payment received is coming from the transaction section, as you can see. Under transactions, you can enter the date, the description of the transaction, the customer name. So once you click over here, you can see the list of all the customers popping up. You can select the customer, and then you can enter the amount that has been received from the customer. And finally, we also have a document section where you can attach the specific invoice related to the customer. Once all these details are filled up, you can see the payment amount that is received getting updated. So if I change this value to something higher than the amount that was previously set, you can see the payment received is also changing. This is how you can utilize this template to keep track of customer payments. This is entirely customizable as per requirement. If you need to customize this template, please feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com.